Hi guys, so today I'm making a breakfast sandwich, but right now I'm making eggs.
So we're gonna do fried eggs on the breakfast sandwich. Let's let that heat up. We got our griddle. We're gonna let that heat up. So tell us all what's gonna be on the sandwich, Ethan.
Turkey bacon and cheese and eggs.
Awesome. Get our spatula. And we started cracking them in a bowl, so if the eggshells come or whatever, we can get them out with a spoon. That's a little bit of pepper. You think you want to go ahead and crack the fourth egg? Good job. That one's not quite ready to turn on. Salt and pepper.
I need some spice.
No, it's fine. Because these are cooked, see? Alright, you want to put the next one? Good job. Alright. Let's see the inside. How is it?
Good.
Awesome.